Ready to take your fashion career to the next level? I'm Charmel Wirt, and I'm here to show you measurements, grading, and construction. Now let's go. Hi guys, it's Charmel again, discussing creating spec sheets. And here we go. Here's a glimpse of a spec sheet I worked on. We're going to discuss what is the base sample size in a garment. When you're going to garment development, you've got to have your spec sheet. Your spec sheet shows you and shows the factory all the sizes needed to create your garments. Your base size or sample size is the one size that the factory is going to make that you can fit on a model, yourself, and usually that's a medium. It could be any size depending on who your customer is, what size is chosen for that customer. So let's continue. As I said, it's a base standard size. I have it highlighted here as the medium. Within the spec sheet, you have all these measurements, different types of measurements. You want to understand how to take those measurements and what they mean. So we have flat measurements where you can take your ruler or measuring tape and you measure a garment laying flat. Then we have your body measurements. The body measurement is for each person in this world, kids, adults, female, male, and we all have body measurements, and there's standards. There's actually standards out there. It's easier to start with a medium to know and to take those measures. There are standards that you can go online, ASTM body standard measurements. You want those measurements so you understand if your garment is going to fit. Next, within the measurements, there's grading. Grading is a process of resizing of the base pattern. The base pattern is made off of your sample size. All of the sizes within the grading come from a mathematical formula. Let's say your medium, you have a chest 20. Your large might go up to 21. That 20 minus the 21 is a 1-inch grade. That's your grade increment. Or it could be a 2-inch grade, depending on your customer and the direction you're going with the fit of the garment and the growth of the body. So a point of measurement, aka POMs, they are referenced to the garment and how it corresponds with different critical areas. When you make your garment, you want to know how long it should be, what's your chest measurement, what's your shoulder measurements, how long of the sleeve you want. You want a little clap sleeve or a long sleeve? That would be considered a point of measurement, which is a reference point that is critical to making the garment. It's critical to making the pattern for the garment. All the measurements that need to be included, of course, would be your neck, your front drop, your back drop.
To dive deeper into tech packs, graded specs, and factory sourcing, head to Teachable now for the full webinar. If you're a brand owner or an aspiring brand owner and you'd like to talk to someone about how to get partnered up with Black Unicorn, head over to blackunicornmerch.com and fill out the questionnaire, and someone will be in touch with you to talk to you about how we can help you along your design journey. And of course, if you like this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
We'll see you next Friday for segment 4 of the Elevate Your Fashion Career webinar.